Hey everyone, happy New Year's to you and your family. I'm back again with another video, so stay tuned.
Now it feels like, oh, you should have showed me what you got. Yeah, I bet it feels like, oh.
So I have here my mackerel. I washed it and cleaned it very thoroughly and nicely. Now I'm getting ready to season it. And for my seasoning, I'm going to use this powdered seasoning that is for meat. And it does have a little bit of pepper in it. It's a little spicy, so I'm going to use that. And also I'm going to blend my bell peppers, parsley, onion, garlic, and ginger. And I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of oil as well so everything can blend properly.
So why would I follow you when you're the only thing on me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? It's getting a little bit out of control. The way you look so good without trying it out. And this addiction isn't good for my health, but I don't wanna spend another night by myself. 'Cause I know that I would be dumb to let you go. So why would I follow you when you're the only thing on me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowing me? Why would I?
So after seasoning it, I am just going to close it up in an aluminum foil and let it sit for about an hour. And the rest of the seasoning that I made, it was a little bit much, so I'm going to put some in this glass jar and keep some. And you can actually use this seasoning for another type of meat, so it's actually great. And also I am going to eat my fish with some sweet potato. I wanted to make some regular potato, but I was like, let me switch it up a little bit and make some sweet potatoes. So I'm cutting up my sweet potatoes right now, and I'm going to go ahead and season it and bake it in the oven as well.
Started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stayed.
I'm going to go ahead and season my sweet potato with black pepper, chili powder, and also some salt. And I will be adding a little bit of oil so the seasoning can actually stick on my sweet potatoes.
So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing on me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? It's getting a little bit out of control. The way you look so good without trying it out. And this addiction isn't good for my health, but I don't wanna spend another night by myself. 'Cause I know that I would be dumb to let you go.
So now that my fish has been marinating for an hour, I'm going to go ahead and bake it along with my sweet potatoes. I'm going to turn my oven on 400 degrees, and my sweet potato took about 30 to 35 minutes to cook, and my fish also, after cooking it for 35 minutes, I uncovered it, took off the aluminum foil, and turned on the broil So I broiled my fish on low heat until I achieved a darker color because I wanted to turn a little darker. I felt like the color that was there currently, I didn't really like it. So this color right here, this is the color I was looking for. So I broiled it on low heat and until I achieved that color. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my fish from the aluminum foil and go ahead and set my platter up and put everything together, and we can go ahead and start enjoying our meal. So here's my platter. On my platter, I have some pili pili, which is basically habanero pepper, and I also have mayo. So it all depends on what you like as a side or dipping sauce. I like to eat habanero pepper with my food, and I also like mayo. So whatever side floats your boat, whatever you like, you can go ahead and add it on the fish platter. Once again, thank you so much, guys, for tuning in my video today. I hope you enjoyed the whole video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and I will see you on the next one.